Hi everyone, welcome to week number 2. Hopefully week number 1 went okay for everyone. This week you'll note that there is a folder for the week, as for all the weeks, and in the front of the folder you'll have the weekly to-dos. Here, first things first, have a look at the weekly handout that is within the folder. I'm also asking you to sign up for online access to the library. There was a couple of problems with that last week. I'm hoping they've started to rectify that. Certainly through working with the library or myself, we'll get you signed up one way or the other. If you've not done so yet, I would ask you that you complete the academic integrity module, but I think most of you have actually got that complete. If you haven't got a mark yet, it's simply because it hasn't shown itself on a final report to me. Lastly, at the end of this week, Sunday, September 27th at midnight, that's when you should be handing in the literature search form. To do that, what you want to do is have a look at that chapter I posted up as well, which might help you with your search. But as you complete the form and use this template here, if you complete that, all you need to do is go to the literature search title, click on that, and you'll find that as you do that, you'll have an opportunity to attach it as a file and then submit it down here. So that's it, pretty easy peasy. And again, if you look at the literature search form, what you'll find is a form which you just have to fill out. Figure out which databases you use. That will show up on each and every return that you get. It'll tell you which database was accessed for the file itself. Make sure that you provide an APA citation. APA citation is what we use in the program. A very brief blurb as to why you thought that was that particular paper or article was of interest, and that's it. So that's it for now. If you have any questions, please give me a shout. And don't forget, on Thursdays at 3 o'clock, I am kicking around for an online office hour. See you soon.